From your head to your toes. According to several studies, your body gives clues about your personality. So we took to the World Wide Web for the most interesting points, which we will now share.
What you know is that Superman thing I bring up, me just suit, no suit. And then you soon see me with no shirt, and then no pants. Yeah, but it's all right.
And then no job.
What we doing? What we doing now?
You put the body parts.
Where the body parts?
Oh, you mean that you have in front of you?
No.
So, there are parts of the body that tell you, what does it say about the face? I think we start with the face.
Me don't have it.
People with asymmetrical faces tend to make better team leaders.
What is asymmetric, please?
That man their face.
What is
long. See, it's kind of long.
What is my face? Look at my face.
It's not round.
My face is what?
Pointed.
My face pointed? No, sir. Me can't find something. What are we supposed to
So
do?
I have to look down for everybody. I'm going to while your face round, so you're all tight. Long time I don't know if it's about your face.
I find it. I find it.
Soft,
All right.
arrow face, roundish.
The second one say, a wide forehead indicates cleverness, practicality, and diligence. People with a wide forehead are full of ideas. And you can't say forehead here, people. You don't have to say forehead.
Okay, good.
You can say forehead.
So you see when you love to people say them forehead big, a good something.
Wait, no. Wide forehead indicates cleverness. What do you mean by wide?
Wide.
That means head big.
Your forehead big. When people say your forehead big.
Your forehead can't wide if your head don't big, you know.
Some people forehead wide.
So why never just say big head people indicate cleverness?
Forehead, your head can be big and your forehead is not.
Again, tell me what I want with me. So you say me have, what kind of face?
Your forehead not big.
So me never have asymmetrical.
Pointed,
you say. All right, so my face point.
Yeah.
It don't say not about pointed face.
No.
What about my forehead? My forehead big?
No.
I can't even see yours. I don't know whether yours.
You see that? You see that? Wide forehead.
Okay.
Never say big, wide. Because some people forehead protrude, like yours, come out so. But a wide, them say wide, not deep.
You must be glad me work here. I don't take liberty with saying.
Wide, not deep.
All right, according to facial reading expert Gene Hayner, people with long eyebrows tend to deal better with stress and typically have a lot of friends that they don't mind listening to and helping out. Long eyebrows would mean it long come all the way around here.
So that one they're tricky because Tanya have no eyebrow and she drawn some this morning long to her ears. Fine.
Okay.
So I don't know.
Hold on, but your eyebrows quite long. So they say what? People with long eyebrows tend to deal better with stress. Yes, you deal better with stress?
Me have to go look back with my eyebrows stop me never come make a joint. Come on.
So they are one long? See a long one. That is long. Show me that picture. Show me that picture.
Jody, your eyebrows stopping and make like your eye.
That is long. Well, that is long. All right. Thanks, Shauna Tuna. The next one says blinking more than the average 6 to 10 times in a minute indicates that the person is attracted to who or she's talking to. Look at me. No, man, about 400 blink, my God. I'm very attracted.
You notice me not blink one time?
Is that suggesting that you're not attracted to me? Well, I looking at you and I can't stop blink. Me love you. Me can't stop blink. What that mean? Let's try them get them.
That's how you tell lie.
All right, Jody going to love this next one. Short people are likely to live longer than their taller counterparts. No,
why? Why?
They say one of the genes linked to longevity is also responsible for short stature. This is according to research at the Albert Einstein College of Medicine.
On behalf of all the people 6 foot and tall, I'm going to try to kill you before we time.
Bye. So tall.
On behalf of the people 6 feet and up, please don't try to... No,
tall. I am 6. I am 5'11" and 3/4.
Then the way Jody shot, that means Jody got there on his shot 100 and plenty?
At least. All of a sudden, she's embracing, them call her short boss still. All right. How my nose look? Long or short? Or
wide.
It wide? So it don't long.
Long or short? So what does it say?
They say people with long noses usually have a good sense of business,
Wow.
common points, a healthy sense of ambition,
Wow.
great instincts, and others respond positively to
The
their
people with
leadership.
long noses?
Yeah.
So you have to have a long nose and a wide forehead? That's crazy. How does that look?
You wouldn't be a handsome fella with a long nose. If
And
you're short,
wide
have long
forehead.
nose and wide forehead.
And long eyebrow.
Well, you're going to live forever, but you're not going to
What are they talking about? Shrek?
You're going to live forever by yourself.
A Shrek, where you talking
All right,
about?
let me see you two of them now. Yours is exactly what they say.
Yeah.
If your toes neatly graduate in size, in other words, this one smaller
Small
than this
and that one
yeah.
come this and that one come this, huh?
Yeah, each of your toes is a little longer than the one before. You're likely to be methodical,
Where they are?
precise, and extremely practical person. But your toes are like that.
So there you go.
But her toes not like that because our big toe shorter than the one before, so it don't graduate. But they say, if your big toe is much longer than your other toes, you're a clever and creative thinker.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, there you win easy, man. You graduate in size and your big toe longer. Oh, there you go. All right, so.
Well, that's about ears. When I reach your ears.
Yeah, the next one is, if your ears are big, you are easily the brightest man ever born in the history of life.
If your ears are big, you lie easily.
Me have a hiccup.
You lie. The lie choke him.
Them say, if your ears big, you are the brightest man ever met. And the bigger the ears, the brighter you is. And the more money you're going to make in life. But that part didn't reach me yet. The more
Never lie.
me get hiccup.
Every lie him tell it choke him. Why you don't stop?
A study found out the way people smile in old photographs predicts their later success in marriage. Yeah? Psychologists rated people's college yearbook photos for smile intensity. We don't see them people have nothing to do. And they found that none of the biggest grinners divorced later in life. In comparison, 25% of the most straight-faced people experience divorce. Well, me I laugh for my entire life. I mean, never married much less we don't divorce. And me I laugh from me back.
You laughing at the picture of them?
Yeah, I mean, I always a smile.
You know the picture of them now? No? Look back on them. You still have them? Them picture they still there both?
Well, me never met no yearbook still, you know. Me never met actually I have a picture in the Jordan's yearbook when I was a cadet.
Right.
And I'm like this with the trumpet.
Okay.
Even though I couldn't blow it. The final one we're going to tell you now, which I feel are going there. Bald men are considered tougher and more macho. But we don't really want to be no more macho.
Oh, there's common.
But only if they shave their head completely. So a University of Pennsylvania study found deliberate chrome domes were perceived as taller, stronger, and more likely to be leaders. Soft man, so you are taller, stronger, and you are going to be a leader.
Soft man head no ball. It
Of course, it
ball totally.
Yeah.
Him still a try.
Soft man, come and push the ball. Come now. Soft man, you want it?
So why you never say Harrow and Marvin?
The ball said ball?
Yeah.
The ball said balls.
Ball.
The ball said...
Aubrey not the ear pan him head either. Only Wally alone in here have ear pan him head. I'm fair on.
All right, folks.
So that survey then I suppose.
No, so make we wrap up everything and recap. If you are short, have a long eyebrow, wide forehead,
long nose, bald
and
head,
big ears with bald head, you're just going to be the greatest man in the entire world.
asymmetrical face.
I still don't know what that means. What, the show done?
Wait,
Oh,
I regret to inform everybody that Neville was right about the white paint.
What do you mean I was right about the right paint? Then
Somebody tweet me for 10 minutes.
After the break, we'll show you how
Neville
to make water taste better. I am right with everything.
Neville is right. I don't know, the day has just gone sour.
No. I tell you, that's why them paint the tree. If you don't know what we're talking about, them paint the white at the bottom of the
Somebody
tree
sent me the Google thing. I
Thank you
threw him a tag.
you.
Very rare that he's right.
Don't talk.
Very rare.